What's going on, everybody? If you like these type of videos, remember to just like them. If you have any questions about anything I do in the video, definitely leave a comment asking that question, and then as always, subscribe. But without further ado, let's get to work. This is the next day after my last upload, and I am ready to fit that little corner piece onto the quarter panel. So I have it fitted up here. I meant to say I'm ready to weld it on. I have it fitted up here. I'm just kind of getting it situated, and I think what I'm going to do, since this is not really lining up, is start my weld here, and then as I'm moving this way, kind of pull on this piece, pull it out, so then I can weld it in, make it flush. But that's pretty much ready to go, and that's what I'm going to be welding in. So I welded this whole piece in. Now I'm just ready to grind this down and even it out and smooth it out. Still have to weld in the last piece that goes on the bottom, but after this I will be done with this rocker, or this lift point. Okay, so I sanded this down. See a few spots that are a little messed up, like this spot right here that had a hole, and this patch is in here. I'll probably sand this down just a little bit, get it as flush as I can, and then you can kind of see the stitch line here, but honestly, like, it feels smooth, so it just needs a little bit of filler and blocking, and it should be fine. Over here, I still haven't blended it yet, and then I'm leaving the weld here for now, because it's going to give me a little bit more material when I'm welding this piece on here, or that remaining corner. As you guys know, when you get to an end of a butt weld, usually the corners like to burn up, and when I'm putting the bottom panel on, that's not on yet, basically that's going to give me like just more material, and for the heat to kind of dissipate a little easier when I'm welding the bottom piece on. So now I'm going to create just the bottom piece and put that on and blend the stitch line in on the bottom here, and that's going to be it for this rocker. And yeah, super pumped how it came out, especially this being my third major rust rot repair. I'm very pleased with how it came out. Not perfect, but for the third time doing something, I think it came out looking pretty good. So I got the the patch cut out, and I edge primed it, and then put some copper primer on the spot weld holes, or plug weld. Prep this the area that the patch is going in. I prepped that. Now I'm just gonna have to weld it in and sand it down, and it's done, really. And then I'm moving on to this thing. Not looking good at all, but you know, just have to get it done. So I am officially done with the other lift point. I'm going to show you how it came out. Not perfect, but I think it's good. You can see this stitch line, unfortunately. This one's kind of disappeared, which then leads me to believe that this stitch line will also disappear with some high build, as well as some filler. And then I got this whole area covered up. Before, there was nothing there. So with that being said, that's it for this video. Remember to comment if you have any questions, like the video, subscribe for more. Thanks.